Hi, I want to make sure that you noticed on this page, hello, scroll down, which is all about illuminated manuscripts, a fantastic subject to study, that there are some videos that come right away, great videos that tell you a lot about the process of making these, which is really interesting. But then down here, there's another video that's not as easy to see because there's a technical issue with it. It's not letting me embed it. So I have a link here, but I also wanted to show you how you can access it in the library, in the DVC library. Let's click on the green DVC button. Okay, that didn't do what I thought it was going to do, so let's go to dvc.edu. And here we are, DVC homepage. Let's scroll down. Here's the library and bookstore. If you scroll down, there's Pleasant Hill Library. And here we are at the search box. If you click on streaming video, you're asking for the streaming video. What's the streaming video? This one is called A World Inscribed. A World Inscribed. Click there. The machine is doing its communicating with other machines, databases, talking to databases. Please wait. Transferring. Okay, there it is. There's the video. So you can click on it, and then you can view the record right over here to the left. Notice that? View record. And at that point, it asks for your login credentials. Putting in mine. Logging in. A little more database talking to database delay. And there you are. Films on Demand is the host. Here's the video. And it's wonderful. It's got some pretty dramatic music. And it's 25 minutes that's going to really make this chapter come alive for you. You don't actually have to watch the whole 25 minutes, though, because we're really going up only to section 4. You can come back and watch the other sections after that. But look at how cool it is that it gives you a sense of the entire world of the Middle Ages and monasteries. So please enjoy it. Let me know if you have difficulty opening it.